Not all wounds speak in words. Some stories are lived in the body. When we try to explain pain, we can lose touch with where it actually lives, in the chest, the gut, our breath. Sometimes our words pull us away from what needs to move, but art speaks a language that the mind has forgotten is even possible. It bypasses logic and lets the truth move through color, line, and gesture. So try this. Take your non-dominant hand, grab a crayon, pencil, or marker, and just scribble. No rules, no outcome, just movement. Let your emotion choose a color and allow your hand to follow that sensation. Give this a try for just 5 minutes. You might be surprised what your body has been waiting to tell you.